Hey everybody, it's me, Alicia, the special events professional here to help newly engaged couples plan and execute their wedding like a pro without breaking the bank. So today I am going to briefly be talking to you about self-care during your wedding planning process and how to take care of you during this process so you don't feel overwhelmed, stressed, frustrated, because planning your wedding should be a happy, joyful, exciting moment and not a stressful, daunting, oh my gosh, what am I doing? And just feeling overwhelmed and stressed. So here I am just here to tell you briefly, take time out for yourself, break away from the wedding planning process. Yes, it may seem like you haven't tackled any tasks. Yes, it may seem like you haven't gotten far in your wedding planning process, but whatever stage you are in, you're doing fine. You are definitely moving forward. It's just the whole process in itself that is stressing you out. Maybe other people have stressed you out, but do not let that become a burden on you to the point where you're not taking care of yourself. Take care of yourself during this process. And for some people, they have never ever planned a celebration like this before. They have never planned a birthday party. They have never planned a graduation party. Nothing. So this is a whole new ball game for you. So don't let anybody rain on your parade. Stop sharing ideas with people. You don't have to answer financial questions about your wedding to anybody. And I want to be very clear about that. You do not have to answer anybody's personal questions. Oh, how much are you paying for your wedding? Or how much is your wedding going to cost? How much are you paying for this? Who's all in your wedding? Those are questions that do not need to be answered because it's your choice how much you're choosing to spend. It is your choice who you choose to have in your wedding. It is your choice where you choose to have your wedding at. And nothing that you do is tacky. Nothing that you do is cheap. It is what you chose to do to make your wedding affordable. And this is not about the looks of the wedding. This is about the unity and celebration of two people who are madly in love with each other. That is what a wedding is, not for the food, not for the drinks. It is to celebrate the unity, the love, the story, what brought you two together. That's all that matters. Nothing else matters. Yes, you want everything to look nice, but do what your mental needs to be done. Like if you need to take a break, you want to do something like participate in your hobby, don't stray away and don't stop what you personally normally do. That just is like a mental break. Continue on doing that. Do not let anybody, oh, well, you're not planning it fast enough. Don't let anybody rush you. Plan your wedding at your pace, what is going to be best for you and your spouse. It is not nobody else's business to be dabbling up into your business. Either they're invited or not. Either you choose to have children at your wedding or not. This is a day about you. So this is just a quick little video to tell you to take care of yourself for your wedding. Take care of yourself during the wedding planning process because you want a happy, healthy body. You want a nice mental, stress-free. You don't want you just don't want to be overwhelmed by one day, and people that come with celebrating that one day. So do stuff for you. I highly recommend that you plan in private, meaning that you handle everything that you have to handle before you even announce that you're engaged. Handle everything that you have to handle before you even start inviting people, before you start letting people or asking people, I should say, oh, gee, would you like to be in my wedding? Or I chose you to be in my wedding, so it eliminates any type of unnecessary drama, hopefully, but drama will still be knocking at your door, especially if egos are in the way and people don't understand that they're not always going to be chosen for stuff. So this is just a quick little video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you click the link down below for my website, arborweddingboutique.com. I have a lot of planning and organizational products for you. And I definitely want you to click the link down in the description for your free wedding timeline. This timeline is a roadmap that will help you get started on your wedding planning journey in the right direction. And hopefully it takes a burden off, because it's a starting point to where you should be or where you should get started at when it comes to planning your wedding. So go ahead, get your freebie down below, and I'll see you in the next video. But do not forget to hit that subscribe button.